Students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of Quadratic Equations, and today we are going to do 4 questions from question number 21 to 24. Okay, 4 questions in 4 videos. Okay, and all belongs to 2020 questions, a little bit latest questions, like I can say 2020 question number 21. See, this is a big question. I don't know whether space is sufficient or not. If not sufficient, answer is this one. I am going to rub. Why? Because see, alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0 if p suffix k is equal to alpha to the power of k plus beta to the power of k. Okay, p1 is equal to alpha plus beta, p2 is equal to alpha square plus beta square, p3 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Why I am telling? Why? Because here up to p5 you have to find p5, p5, p5. p5 is the maximum. Okay, p1, p2, p3 you can find easily, but p4, p5 is going to take a little bit time. That is why I am telling this is a little bit lengthy question. Okay, then which of the following statement is not true? See, A, B, D all are true. C is not true, but we have to find how it is and all. Why? Because I know, that is why I am telling. Okay, now let us proceed. See, first I am writing the equation. You see, x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, minus 1 by 1. That means 1. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a, minus 1 by 1. That means minus 1. Here, see, alpha plus beta is 1. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. See, shall I write p1 is equal to alpha to the power of 1 plus beta to the power of 1, that is equal to 1. Why? Because alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Okay, p1 you have got. Okay, now go for p2 also. Okay, all up to p5 you have to find. p2 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Implies I am keeping. Why? Because directly you are unable to find. What I am doing, alpha plus beta square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Okay, or else alpha plus beta is 1. 1 square is also 1. 1 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into alpha beta means alpha beta is minus 1, minus 2. Okay, minus 2 goes this side, 3. That means, shall I write directly p2 is equal to 3? Okay, I don't have space, that is why one step I have jumped. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus 2 goes this side, means plus 2 and 1 plus 1, 3. This is p2. Alpha square plus beta square is p2. Okay, now go for alpha cube beta cube also. p3 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Implies, see how we are going to do. See, we know one formula rather than going cube formula. What is that? Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta into alpha square. Okay, plus beta square minus alpha beta. Okay, see, if outside plus is there means alpha plus beta is plus. Outside minus is there means alpha minus beta. Okay, here plus is there, here minus. Here minus is there, here plus will come. Okay, like that you have to understand. Okay, see, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta value how much? 1 into alpha square plus beta square value already you are having 3 minus alpha beta value minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. That means, shall I write p3 is equal to 4? Okay, until here there is no problem, you can get easily, but now onwards a little bit tricky. Okay, alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4, how we are going to find? p4 is equal to alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. Implies I am keeping. Okay, see how I am doing. See, alpha plus beta whole to the power of 4 I am doing. Alpha plus beta whole to the power of 4 is equal to, okay, this value we know 1 power 4, 1 only will come. But you see how I am going to do this. Shall I go binomial theorem 4C0 like? Okay, let us go. 4C0 alpha to the power of 4 plus 4C1 alpha cube beta plus 4C2 alpha square beta square plus 4C3 alpha beta cube plus 4C4 beta to the power of 4. Okay. Now you see 4C0 value is 1, 4C4 value is 1. Alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. This is 1. 1 power 4 is 1. That means 1 is equal to alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. You see these two, this is over, this is over, this is over. Okay. See 4C1 and 4C3 both are 4 plus 4 alpha cube beta plus 4 alpha beta cube. Okay, these two are over. Now 4C2 you have to find. 4C2 I think 6 will come. Why? Because see 4 factorial 4 minus 2, 2 factorial into 2 factorial, that is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 into 2. Why? Because 2 factorial 2. Okay, 6 will come. That means see this is plus 6 alpha square beta square. Okay. Just alpha to the power of 4. P4 and P5 little bit time taking. Remaining all you can get easily. Not going to take much time. Okay. See, this you require 1 is equal to alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. See, here 4 alpha square. No, 4 alpha beta I will take common. See, plus 4 alpha beta. If I take common, then alpha square plus beta square. Is it okay? First you see. First term 4 alpha cube beta. 4 alpha cube beta. Second term 4 alpha beta cube. 4 alpha beta cube. Okay? Why? Because alpha beta value you know minus 1. Alpha square plus beta square value you know 3. Okay? Here also you see, here you need not do anything. Plus 6 into what I do, alpha beta whole square. Alpha square beta square. Like that also I can write. Okay, now proceed then. 1 is equal to alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. See, alpha beta value minus 1 means this is going to become minus 4. Alpha square plus beta square value is 3. Minus 4 into 3. Okay. See, alpha beta value again minus 1, but square is there. Plus 1 it is going to become plus 6. Okay. Now you see alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 is equal to, see, minus 12 plus 6, minus 6. Minus 6 goes this side, plus 6, 7. That means what we can say, P4 is equal to 7. Understand? Okay? P4 is equal to 7. P1 is equal to 1, P2 is equal to 3, P3 is equal to 4, P4 is equal to 7. Okay? Now, P5 11 will come, but let us do it. Why? Because see, directly we should not write. I am writing it. Okay? Like this expansion I am doing again. Okay? P5. P5 expansion I am doing. P5 implies alpha to the power of 5 plus beta to the power of 5 is implied alpha plus beta whole to the power of 5. See, alpha plus beta whole to the power of 5 means 1 only. 1 is equal to, see, 5C0 alpha to the power of 5 plus 5C1 alpha to the power of 4 beta plus 5C2 alpha cube beta square plus 5C3 alpha square beta cube plus 5C4 alpha beta to the power of 4 plus 5C5 beta to the power of 5. Okay? Okay. Now substitute. 1 is equal to, you see, this is 1 and this is 1. Okay? That means alpha to the power of 5 plus beta to the power of 5. Okay? Plus, see, this is 5 and this is 5. Okay? 5 into alpha to the power of 4 beta plus 5 into alpha beta to the power of 4. Okay. Now I think two terms left, two terms. See, 5c2 and 5c3 both values are same. What will come? 5c2 value. 5 minus 2, 3 factorial. That means if 5 into 4, 3 factorial going to get cancelled out, 2 to 10. That means see plus 10 alpha cube beta square plus 10 alpha square beta cube. Okay. Okay. Let us proceed. See, here and here both you have to take some common. Okay, then only you are going to get the answer. Okay, see, that is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Again you write alpha to the power of 5 plus beta to the power of 5 you write. Okay, see, 5 alpha beta you have to take common. Okay, plus 5 alpha beta I have taken common. If I take 5 alpha beta, then alpha cube plus beta cube you have to take inside. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, if you send inside 5 alpha to the power of 4 beta, 5 alpha beta to the power of 4. Okay, these two over, these two. Now for this also 10 you have to take common. Okay, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Yes. Okay, plus 10 you take common, plus 10. Here also I think alpha square minimum beta square. Alpha square beta square you take common. Alpha square beta square if you take common, alpha plus beta. Okay. Okay, now proceed. Proceed. 1 is equal to alpha cube to the power of 5 plus beta to the power of 5. See, alpha cube plus beta cube value is 7. Not 7. P3. P3 is 4. See, 4 minus 5. Why? Because alpha beta value minus 1. Minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Okay? Here also see alpha plus beta is value is 1. That is not a problem. But see, alpha beta whole square means minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Plus 1 into 1, 1 only. 1 into 10, 10. That means plus 10. Okay? Now you see, minus 10 will come if you go this side, 11. Alpha to the power of 5 plus beta to the power of 5 is equal to 11. That means see, P5 is equal to 11. Okay, this also I am boxing. Now go back again. What you require? See, first P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 is equal to 26. Is it correct? Yes. Why? Because see, you goes on add 1 plus P2 is 3 plus P3 is 4 plus P4 is 7 plus P5 is 11. See, 18, 22, 25, 26. 26. That means this is correct. But our answer is what is not correct. What is not correct? That means what is wrong. P5 is 11. This is also correct. P3 is equal to P5 minus P4. See, P3 is equal to how much? 4 is equal to P5 11 minus P4 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Yes, correct. That means this is also correct. Now only one is left. You see, P5 is equal to P2 into P3. P5 is how much? 11. 11 is equal to P2. P2 is how much? 3 into P3. P3 is how much? 4. See, 3 into 4, 12, but not 11, not equal to. That means this is not correct. Your answer is C. Okay, let us go for next question.